Hey guys, it's Tony again. I don't know what's going on with Doggy, but I'd rather keep like buying more than like miss out. This thing goes back to point 0.02 cents or even a cent. But I think if this thing drops or it dips anywhere between right now and like this area, I'm probably gonna throw another grand, like a grand or two in it. I already bought $500. I literally just bought another $500 right now. So as of right now, I am holding about 373,000 Dogecoin or Doggy coin. I'm gonna call it Doggy coin because that sounds way fucking better. But um, if we hit like 63 or somewhere around this range, I'm gonna buy like another $1,000 worth of Doggy. Like I'm not even joking. Like this. It broke previous support like fucking nothing. Like it broke right here. If we end up breaking like that 0.071 level, like there's no resistance. There's nothing stopping this from pumping all the way back up to point 0.02. And if we cross that support zone, like I know this sounds absolutely insane, but we can hit $1, dude. Like this is it's stupid. I don't know who's pumping this. I don't know how Doggy is getting pumped, but something is going on with Doggy. There's no reason if we cross, point 0.02, I have no clue where this can stop at. This can go to this can go to point 0.02 and drop back down to zero, or this can moonshot to like fucking $100, dude. I don't know what's going on, right? But fool's insurance, I'm buying like another couple bucks just in case, because I'd rather in the long run, I'd rather lose a couple grand instead of like questioning myself like a year later and being like, oh fuck, I should have bought in. This could have been this much money, right? So fuck it. I don't care if I lose 1,000, 2,000 bucks. This is really one of those like, hey, you either jump in and you fucking try to make something, or you cash out and you just kind of wait it out. But as of right now, I might just end up buying like another $1,000 if we drop again, and then just kind of hold for like the long time. I don't care if I lose the money, right? But to those of you who are a little bit more restricted and limited to buying stuff, do as you guys want. But as of right now, like I don't know what's pumping this. This is insane. I don't know what's going on, but this is nuts.